Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel and VBA Learnings. In this video what we'll do is we'll just create a very simple message box using VBA. Okay, in my last video I have seen or I have shown you how to create a simple macro and how we can record a macro. In this video what we'll do is we will just create a simple message box, okay, in VBA. So before as you now must be aware that to open a window, to open a VBA window, what we have to do is just press Alt F11 and your window is open. Okay, I need to create my VBA. I need to create this message box in sheet 4. What I'll do is I'll just double click it. Okay, so this is my previous recording video and you will still have it. I'll just delete this, and now what I want is I need to create a very simple message box. So what I'll do is I'll type as sub, that is your subroutine, and what I'll type here is as message msg. Okay, so this will be my macro name msg, and a very simple macro. What I'll do is I just need a simple message box using VBA. So what I'll do is I'll just type as msg box. So to create a message box, this is what the code is: message box. Then you need to give a space and write whatever comments you would like to. Like, okay, I will type as creating message box is very simple. Okay, so let's see. Just click on this. So here we go. My first message box is created. Creating message box is very simple. Okay, so this is what the text string I have written into my message box. Okay, what I'll do is I'll type again as message box and I'll say as great. Okay, I'll just press F5. Creating message box is very simple, and I'll type it's showing me as great. So what has happened now is I have given two message box. So first, whenever you run this macro, what will happen here is first this message box will be run. Once you click OK, your second message box will appear. Okay, you want to see one by one with step. Press F8, F8. Now this is OK. Again F8. Great. So this is how your message box. Then you can go ahead and create a message box into a VBA. Okay. So this was very basic one. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll take a bit advanced message. So what we'll do is first I will enter a value into any cell. Let's see, in cell C10, what I'll do is I'll enter a value as create. I'll take this value. Okay, I'll just copy this. I'll go into C10 or any cell I want and paste this. Okay. Now what I have to do is I need to go ahead and create a message box which says that this text should appear in my message box. Okay, so let's see how it works. So open this window. So I'll open a VBA window. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just remove this. I will type this as message box space. I will say the entered value in cell C10 is bracket close. Here we go, my bracket close, and range. What I've done is I have given as range. What is my range? Range is C10 bracket close dot value. So what will happen here is whatever value is updated in C10 will be added or updated in a message box along with this. So let's see how it works. Here we go. The enter value in cell C10 is creating a simple I need to give a space out here. So what I'll do is, and I will go ahead and give a space here. This is how it will work. So let's see how it works. F5. Let's go ahead and F5. Okay, the enter value in cell C10 is creating a simple message box using VBA. So this is what the value is stored in this particular cell C10. So that is why it is giving me as creating simple message box using VBA. So you can go ahead and create the message box as this way. Or else what I want is I want the same macro to be, you know the I need this to be entered in a new line. This part I need to be entered. I mean, this creating a simple message box using VBA needs to be entered in a other line. So what I have to do is, I just need to go ahead and type this. So I will write this, and I will write as VB new line space and array. So this is what VB new line will do is, this VB new line will have your message, this message reflected on your new line. So let's see if I do F5. So here it is. Enter value in cell C10 is creating a simple message box using VBA. Click OK. If I remove this, if I press F5, if I press, okay, if I say this macro 1 run, what will happen now? Okay, so let's see, F5 and this. The enter value in cell C10 is creating a simple message box using VBA. So previously I just clicked on macro 1, so my previous macro got recorded here from me shaking creating my first macro, and now once I did F5, it is showing me the enter value in cell C10 is creating a simple message box using VBA. And if I put this after, and if I put VB new line space and, so this is what will happen. Okay, so this is how you can go ahead and record your macro and create a simple message box. Hope you like my video, and please do not forget to comment below. Have a great day. Thank you.